Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Jael, and today we are going to be making stuffed peppers. Our ingredients are brown rice, diced tomatoes, cheese, and our spices: salt, black pepper, garlic powder, chili powder, and ground cumin. Now I have my ground turkey in my skillet, and you can either use ground turkey or ground chicken, but today I'm using ground turkey. And I am going to chop it up before I put the seasoning in it. So I chopped up a little bit, but I'm going to chop up more. But now I'm going to pour my seasoning into my skillet. So now I'm just going to mix it up until all the meat has cooked. Make sure you turn the heat up higher to the highest one. And just keep stirring it and chopping it up. So now I'm going to put my diced tomatoes into my big pot. I'll put top on my thing. Let it simmer. So I'm going to cut my eye off and going to put my brown rice in my pot. Now I'm going to put 3/4 of cheese in my pot. Now I'm going to stir it all together. So we already sliced our peppers, bell peppers, in half, and now we're going to place it into our baking dish. Make sure you spray the bottom of your baking dish so it won't stick. Now that we've placed our bell peppers in our baking dish, now we're going to put the filling into the bell peppers. Now I'm going to put cheese on top of the bell peppers. So I'm going to put a lid on the top. Make sure you don't put too much. Now I'm going to place the bell peppers in the stove. Now we are going to plate our dish. I'm gonna put some sour cream on the top and cheese. Now I'm gonna put sour cream, a little bit of sour cream on the Now I'm gonna put a little bit of cheese on the top. Now we're gonna taste it. Don't forget to subscribe to us, The Russell Way, and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Bye.